a new experience. A new tool. Fromm makes the future smart. Fromm's newly developed S-Series strapping tool with its sturdy colour touchscreen makes work easier, improves efficiency and provides better control. All settings and control elements can now be set and monitored centrally. You can easily select manual, semi-automatic or automatic modes, providing adaptability to suit a variety of strapping applications with one tool. These settings can be blocked with a PIN code. The ergonomic Fromm design is well balanced and, besides the characteristic Fromm look, the S-Series offers an advanced mode with additional functions and settings options. The tension force and speed can be individually adjusted. A clear visual sign shows you the end of each strapping cycle. With the familiar Fromm quality, the new colour touchscreen withstands all kinds of challenging working conditions. The touchscreen can be easily altered, even with gloves, under the most severe conditions. With its scratch-proof and robust screen, it withstands temperature fluctuations and humidity in the most abrasive and polluting environments. These new Fromm S-Series strapping tools are extremely suitable for use in all kinds of end-of-line transport packaging, including wood, steel, aluminium, copper, brick, glass, corrugated or cardboard boxes. You name it, any application. Established in 1947, the Fromm Group has more than 38 sales and service organizations, R&D centers and production facilities worldwide. The new Fromm S-Series delivers the same quality and reliability that Fromm is known for. Contact us.